Hey guys, welcome to Invent Event Good. This is the third episode on the chart patterns. We are considering broadening bottom. This is continuation, I say the final stage of it. We're going to consider the target price, how to get your target price so that you can forecast the future of the market. When sighting the broadening bottom, you can do that quickly. So let's just go now. Add or subtract this value from the most recent minor high or low. The result is the target price for upward and downward breakout. The best results come from upward breakout in bull market with about 45%, but do not expect a large move. Downward breakout does not perform well compared to upward breakout on the broadening bottom. In most cases, when a pullback occurs, performance suffers. So when you are trading, make sure you keep your eyes on the pullback because pullback can suffer your performance. There are some things you need to look for before you set your trade. Once you see that this is a broadening bottom, you have to look for up overhead resistance to an upward move or underlying support to a downward breakout before investing. Before you set your trade, make sure you look for the support or resistance so that it will not suffer your investment. And more also, performance improve when the breakout duration agree with the general market conditions. Now, let's go for the calculations of the target price. 1. You will subtract the ISI from the lowest to get the formation height. You have to firstly get the formation height. So after that, you will add the formation height to the ISI to get the upward breakout. Then thirdly, you will subtract the formation height from the lowest low value to get the target price. It's very simple to do. From this example now, we have our ISI as 1.15408. Then our lowest low is 1.1181. Then when we are calculating the formation height, our formation height is the 0.04227. So for us to get the target price on upward breakout, we're going to add the formation height of 0.0422 to the ISI of 1.1408, and the target will give us 1.19635. This is where we are going to take our profit. It's likely it gets to 50% before pullback or reversal. So you should target around 45% of the target price. The same also occurs to lowest low. Our lowest low here is 1.1181. Then we are going to subtract 0.04227, which is our formation height. Then the result will give us 1.06952. This is our target price on the downward breakout. So we'll set our take profit at 1.06954. But we are not going to use that. We will use 45% of this. But note this, if there's any pullback before this period, take your profit because pullback suffer the performance. Finally, I want you to put it at the back of your mind when you are setting your trader. You should look for the resistance and the support before you set your trade. Then also make sure that your target goes with the market direction trend. don't trade against the market trend. If your target goes against the market trend, do not set any trade. But if it goes with the market trend, good, fantastic, you can go with the trade. So if you have any question, kindly send me a message. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.